Hello, good day. So we're going to look at and discuss the defect that we see today here on the ceiling. So this is actually flat roof, which is the underside of the flat roof, and it's constructed using concrete. And what you see here is the underside of the roof with paint finish, and you can see actually the primer coat and also the finishing coat, which has peeled off from the surface of the ceiling. So what is the problem here, and what is the issue here? So what we can see is actually it's paint peeling, and what we suspect is there is leakage of some sort on the top side of the floor slab that causes moisture to move downwards and try to evaporate through the underside of the ceiling. And the force of the water coming through actually causes the paint film to delaminate and peel off. So let's look at the top of the floor slab to see what the problem is. So we are here at the top of the floor slab, where we see the leakage and the peeling paint underneath just now. When we look at the construction of the floor, this is actually a floor slab, top and surface with cement render, and then additionally a layer of waterproof paint is applied over the surface. And what you see here, this rainwater downpipe actually channels water from the roof, and it did not extends and terminates at the discharge outlet. So this part actually have undergone damage because of the very heavy water flowing and cycling through this area. And I suspect that this part is where the waterproofing fails. So what happens is water seeps through from the part where the floor has been exposed, causing water to pool inside the concrete, and then it cannot evaporate from the top of the floor because of the surface has been painted with waterproof paint. So where does the water go? It goes downwards, so that then it tries to evaporate from the underside of the flat roof. So the implication of applying waterproof paint on a flat roof surface is that we need to think about making sure the waterproof paint is actually intact and not damaged. And in case of damage like this, the implication is water will tend to want to seep into the concrete surface, but then you need to think about where the water will go to evaporate. So the implication of the evaporation of the water from the flat roof is actually the case that we are looking at here. So since water cannot evaporate anymore from the top of the surface, it will go to where the concentration difference is lower, and that part is actually the underside of the floor slab. What the builder should have done is they should extend the rainwater downpipe right through to the where the water should flow downwards, which is the end manhole that was constructed over on the edge of the floor slab.